Alright, we're going to make a cactus with two arms. So this will be the first arm, and then that's the top of the cactus, and then to make the second arm a little bit higher up and go back down and kind of stop with the two lines parallel and then connect with a curve. Alright, starting the side up a little bit, and we're going to loop around and back over. And this will be the top of the pot that the cactus is in. Two short lines down from the side of that oval shape and connect with a curve that should curve the same as the one above it. Now angle these lines in shade, have them both in at the same point, and then connect with a curve that's about the same as the ones above. Add a little dirt in your pot, little wiggly lines. Now you can just add all your spikes all over on the inside, some kind of poking out from the sides. A nice little cactus flower.